Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Mr. Week channel. As you know, I do like to make videos about cars, motorcycles, caravans, my own life, challenge, food reviews. Really? Oh, are you kidding me? Please, no F words in my channel. Holy moly! So let's do this epic video. Stay tuned. Hey, what's up guys? I'm here in Daventry in Northamptonshire for another awesome car that has been organized by several clubs. It's apparently more than 350 high modified cars they're going to be here. So let's see these cars without any delay. This Fiat 500, they sound amazing. Special this one, this is a Abarth, so it's a limited edition. 595, they do sound amazing. One more beautiful than the next one. Look at this one. It's the latest model. Really stunning. This Abarth, really stunning. Look at that. Pearl white. Really stunning. These little cars, they got so much presence. Look at him. This guy is a big fan of Valentino Rossi. I can see the number 46. Really stunning. Love this one in blue. Fiat-Abarth Owners Club here, all gathered together in one place. They are by the hundreds. I can see a few Porsches there. Plenty of Fiat 124 convertible. Love these cars. I'm a big fan of this car. And it's got a carbon hard top. S14. These cars, they are so popular. This isn't this cute. Nice color. Look at those. Amazing set of wheels. Adam Cobra is stunning. Cobra Lancia with martini colors. Really stunning, isn't it? To another awesome car, a fiat-abarth. That car is so cute, really stunning. Volkswagen-beetle, really stunning. Honda-nsx, cute. I call them the Japanese Ferrari. Another awesome car is a Honda, a Chiro's car here. Lamborghini, my goodness, this car is so stunning. Mercedes C-Class, AMG, really stunning. Nice touches with green. The Renault 1.4 Turbo. This is really stunning. 1.4 Turbo, but it is a small car, but it's got such a big presence, this car. There's a ford-escort in white, really cool. Volkswagen-beetle, really stunning. On a ride. Fiat-Abarth. I think the Owners Club, they are here. A big fan of Japanese cars, and this is a Mazda RX-7, really stunning in black. The amount of work that he did on this engine. An R34 twin turbo GTR, my goodness, in Bayside blue. The Audi RS6 with a V10 engine that they use in the Lamborghinis as well. It's Porsche. This is Chiro's car, really stunning. Awesome, this Ford ST. Always love the minis. They're getting bigger and bigger. Audi A5. Vauxhall, really stunning. Love the color. Really stunning. The BMW M3. Lovely color in silver. So hope you enjoy this amazing show that I can. It's been organized by Chiro's Petrohedonism, as you can see it's pick up here, and other clubs like the Fiat 500-abarth. It's my first time here and I really enjoy to be here. The facilities, they are incredible. And so you can see so many of the cars they are around the track. It's quite big actually, it's quite big, and I'm happy that I came here for the first time, and hopefully I will come actually into the future as well. It's a beautiful day today. Here we are in Naples and I'm enjoying to be out and about, something that you should do as well. As you know, this is my lifestyle. I do like to do all sorts of videos and entertain you all of you, so I can have a different variety of videos, guys. I appreciate so much that you watch my videos, guys. And that's why you are all awesome. So thanks ever so much, guys. I'll see you on the next one.